Hello dear students, hope everyone is doing well. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to write down a formal letter which includes your application writing. So there are a few points that you have to remember while writing the application, that the format of the letter should include the sender's address. If you are writing down the letter, if you are writing down the application, then you have to mention your address there. After that you will leave a line and you will mention the date. After writing the date, you are going to leave a line and you are going to mention the address of the addressee. Address of the addressee means that you have to mention the address of the person to whom you are writing down the letter. For example, if you are writing down the letter to the principal, you have to mention the principal, Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, Kamlanagar, Kanpur. So that is the address of the addressee. Next comes the subject. If you are asking for a leave application, then you will write down subject as leave application. Next comes the salutation. The salutation includes respected sir or respected madam. Then the body of the application. The body of the application includes the reason why do you want the leave. Then comes the subscription. The subscription includes thanking you, yours obediently or yours sincerely, and then you will write down the name of the applicant. For example, if you are writing down the application, then your name, your full name with the class and section. So these are the following things that we have to keep it in mind before writing down the leave application, students. I hope the format of the letter is clear to all of you. After the format, now I'm going to share the sample of the application writing with you. The question is, write an application to your principal requesting him or her to grant leave for 2 days as you are going to attend a family function. Students, as you can see on the board, I have written the address C18 flat number 202 Swaroop Nagar, Kanpur. Then we are going to leave a line and we are going to mention the date and in the format of 20th July 2021. Next, we are again going to leave a line and we are going to write down the address of the addressee. The principal, Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, Kamlanagar, Kanpur. Children, you have to keep it in mind that here, because of the lack of space, I have utilized the second line, but when you are going to write down the application, you are going to mention your school name in one line only. Then comes the subject. Subject will include the leave application. Again, we are going to leave a line and we are going to write down the salutation. The salutation includes respected sir and respected madam. Next comes the body of the letter, which includes with due respect. This is to inform you that I will not be able to attend the school for 2 days, i.e. from 21st July, 2021 to 22nd July 2021, as I am going to attend a family function. Then you are going to change the line and you will write down I shall be obliged. Now this is the body of the letter, which will include the matter according to the question. Students, after writing down the body of the letter, we are going to end up the letter by the subscription. The subscription includes thanking you, yours faithfully, the name of the applicant, that is your name, your class and your section. So this is how we write down the application. I hope the format and the pattern to write down the letter is clear to all of you. Students, let's have a quick recap on the format of the letter. The format of the letter will include the sender's address, that is your address. You have to mention your address in the beginning. Next, you are going to leave a line and you are going to mention the date in the format of 20th July, 2021. Next, you are going to leave a line again and you are going to mention the address of the addressee. If you are writing down the letter to the principal, you are going to mention the principal, Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, Kamla Nagar, Kanpur. So this is called the address of the addressee. Next, you are going to leave a line and you are going to mention the subject. The subject will include leave application. Next, you are going to write down the salutation. The salutation includes respected sir or respected madam. Next, you are going to write down the body. The body of the letter will include the reason of your leave and for how many days you are taking the leave, and that you have to mention in the body of the letter. Next, you are going to end up the letter by the subscription. The subscription will include thanking you, yours faithfully, or you can write down yours obediently. Then you are going to write down the name of the applicant. The name of the applicant means whoever is writing down the letter, they have to mention their name there. Next, you are going to mention the class and the section. So this is how we write down the leave application. I hope the format is clear to all of you. Thank you so much, students.